जस गावे। आवो साधो हिल मिल हरि जस गावे। प्रेम भक्ति की रीत समझ कर, प्रेम भक्ति की रीत समझ कर, रित सोना भर जावे। आवो साधो हिल मिल हरि जस गावे। आवो साधो हिल मिल हरि जस गावे।
बोल भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय। बोल श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन। वेलकम वंस मोर टू त्रिवेणी मंदिर नित्य रविवार सत्संग। लेट अस जॉइन इन मंगलाचरण as we go into श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण कथा। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभीष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरणं। भृत्यार्तिहं प्रणतपालभवाब्धिपोतं वन्दे महापुरुष ते चरणारविन्दं। वन्दे महापुरुष ते चरणारविन्दम्। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। श्री सीताराम समारम्भा रामानन्दार्य मध्यमम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे श्री गुरुपरम्परा। वन्दे श्री गुरुपरम्परा। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन चोर। बोल बंसी वाले की जय, बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। आज हम सब श्री हरि की भगत है। All of us are devotees of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, and all of us have come to listen to the beautiful Leela of Bhakt Dhruv and how he worshipped Shri Hari, Shrimad Narayan Bhagavan. इसलिए मनवाणी को पावन करने के लिए मनसा रूपेण, let us focus our minds on the divine lotus feet of Bhagavan Shri Hari. हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, सब दुख तेरे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, सब दुख तेरे। सुमिरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, सुमिरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, सब दुख तेरे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे। हरि बोल। बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। जल में थल में नील गगन में, कन कन में है प्रभु की छाया रे। जल में थल में नील गगन में, जिसने मन की आंखें खोली, उसने उसका दर्शन पाया रे। जिसने मन की आंखें खोली, उसने दर्शन पाया रे। जो नर हरि की माला फेरे, जो नर हरि की माला फेरे, छूटे जन्म जन्म के तेरे, जन्म के तेरे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, सब दुख तेरे। राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, बोलो राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे। ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे। ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, 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 राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे। बोलो श्री वैकुंठपति लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की जय। भगवान श्री विष्णु, भगवान श्रीमन नारायण, श्री हरि, ये सब इनके अनेक नाम है। All of these are different names of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Bhakt Dhruv, छोटा सा बालक, when his stepmother told him कि तुझे ये सौभाग्य नहीं मिला to be born from my womb. That is why you will never sit on the singhasan that your father is sitting on. तो छोटा सा ध्रुव उनको इतना झटका लगा, he asked his mother, मुझे ये सिंहासन चाहिए माता जी, क्या करना है मुझे? If I want to sit on this सिंहासन, what do I have to do? उनकी माता जी बेचारी क्या बोली? She told him, बेटा, only भगवान can give you this सिंहासन, what you are asking for. केवल भगवान ये पद आपको दिला सकते हैं. तो ध्रुव ने कहा, माँ भगवान कहाँ मिलेंगे? तो माता जी said, go to the forest and do tapasya to him and he will provide the way. He will arrange everything and make it possible for you to get to meet him. तो ध्रुव चल पड़ा. As he is going into the forest now, always remember something. जब भी आपको भगवत प्राप्ति चाहिए, whenever you wish to obtain भगवान, so he never lets you go on this path alone. भगवान नहीं आएंगे, हम योग्य नहीं हैं. We are not worthy for भगवान himself to come and help us. लेकिन आपके जीवन में अपने पार्षद को भेजेंगे. He will send his people into your life. He will send great devotees. He will send Brahmins. He will send Pandits. He will send musicians. And he will send the right people into your life that will bring you closer to him. When you see this happening, bandhuon, understand that you are on the right path. And if your life is surrounded by people who bring you further away from Bhagavan, keep you away from mandir, keep you away from satsang, so then it is very clear that your life is going in the wrong direction. It's not rocket science. It's easy to understand when life is going well, when life is not going so well. So Bhakt Dhruv, as he is going into this forest, he is only 4 or 5 years old. So Bhagavan Vishnu thinks to himself, let me send my most powerful devotee to help him. Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, he sends Narad Muni to go and help Dhruv. Naradastadupākarnya gyātvā tasya chikīrshitam sprishtva mūrdhanya ghāgnena panina praha vismita. Narad ji appears in front of Dhruv. Everybody knows Narad. तो ध्रुव भी, he also bows to Narad Muni. हे गुरुवर, हे प्रवर, मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ, आज मेरा सौभाग्य है. He bows to Narad Muni and Narad Muni blesses him by placing both hands onto his head. Narad Muni asks him कि बालक, अहो तेज क्षत्रियाणाम मान भंग मृष्यताम. Narad Muni, as soon as he touches Dhruv, Narad Muni to bahut siddha hai. He sees the entire life of Dhruv and he sees exactly why he's in this forest. He laughs and he says, Balak, you have such a powerful spirit. Your stepmother only insulted you one time and you left home. Ghar chhod diya aapne. You have any children like this? Agar mata ji aur pitaji ne kaha, aaj, today you will not play video games. So they're ready to pack their bags and leave the house. They don't want to come back anymore. But Narad Muni says, Dhruv, इतना बुरा क्यों मान गए? Why did you take such deep offense? It is just your stepmother. ये तो होता है. Step parents always tell their stepchildren something. कुछ न कुछ सुनाते रहते हैं. हमारे, this is the way of the world. So Narad Muni is trying to explain to him in this way. वापस जाओ. Go back home. There is no place for you in this forest. परितुष्येत तस्तात् तावन्मात्रेण पुरुषः दैवोपसादितं यावत् द्वीक्ष्येश्वर गतिं बुधः. Narad Muni says, Dhruv, in this world, happiness lies only in santosham. Happiness lies only in contentment. Yat prasadam savai pumsam दुराराध्यो मतो ममा. भगवान ने आपको जो भी दिया, whatever भगवान Shri Vishnu has given you, you should be happy with that. You have a step brother and he is going to be the one who sits on the singhasan. ये सिंहासन तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है, फिर भी तुमको संतोष रहना चाहिए, संतुष्ट रहना चाहिए. You have to be content with this situation. Narad Muni says, Dhruv munaya padaviyasya Nisange no janmabhi. There are many thousands and thousands of saints who worship Shri Hari for many thousands of lifetimes. Dhruv, you think by coming into this forest and doing a little bit of tapasya, तो आपको भगवत प्राप्ति होगी? You will get to see Srimad Narayan so quickly. इतना आसान नहीं है. It is not that easy. Hey Dhruv, मान, अपमान, सम्मान, अभिमान. Forget about these concepts. Go back home and live your life. Do not worry about what Suruchi is telling you, your stepmother is telling you. Go and be content, and whatever, जो भी तुम्हारे भाग्य में लिखा है, whatever is there in your destiny, be happy with that. Narad Muni, always remember, when Bhagavan Shri Vishnu sends his Parshad, when he sends his devotees to help you, तो मदद करने से पहले आपकी परीक्षा लेंगे. They will always test you before helping you. Narad Muni is testing Dhruv. He is telling him all of this to make him think that this mission of tapasya, it is very difficult, it is impossible. Abandon this plan and go home and live your life. छोटा सा बालक हो. Dhruv, क्या उत्तर देते हैं नारद मुनि को? What does he reply and tell to Narad Muni? अथापि मे विनीतस्य क्षात्रं घोरमुपेयुषः सुरुच्या दुर्वचो बाणैर् न भिन्ने श्रयते हृदि. भक्त ध्रुव ने कहा, गुरुजी क्षमा कीजिए, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, लेकिन ये जो आप कह रहे हो ये हमारे स्वभाव में नहीं है. Dhruv says, what you are telling me, this is not in my nature. I once asked my father, I said, what would have happened if you didn't go back to Guyana? At a time when we were living in Alberta, when we got our citizenship, then Pitaji decided to go back to Guyana, and then he became a very powerful industrialist. So I said, what would have happened if you stayed here in Canada? We had a dollar store at that time. So Pitaji says, what do you think, I would have just sit down in this country? I would have had 10, 15, $20 stores. I would have opened a big business here. When you have drive, when you have ambition, when you are industrious, whichever country you are in, many people come to me and ask me, Panditji, right now it is very difficult in Canada. Should I go back to Bharat or should I stay here? And then I tell them, okay, maybe in 3 months things will improve for you. So the question I always get is, will it improve in Canada or improve in Bharat? And I explain to them, doesn't matter where you are. Jab wo dasha aayegi, when that time comes, there will be improvement, whether you are here or whether you are there. क्योंकि ये आपका स्वभाव में है, ये आपका भाग्य में लिखा है. जैसे पिताजी, whether he is here, whether he is in Guyana, whether he is in Bharat, whatever he has to do, he gets it done. There are people like that. ऐसे महापुरुष होते हैं. Dhruv has the same nature, very steadfast, very disciplined, very fixed, very targeted. Dhruv says, Guruji, ये हमारे स्वभाव में नहीं है. I have already made up my mind कि मुझे वो सिंहासन चाहिए. हे गुरुदेव, पदम त्रिभुवनो कृष्णम जिगीशो साधु वर्तम में. ध्रुव ने कहा, गुरुजी मुझे परम पद चाहिए. I wish for a position higher than that singhasan also. I wish for power, I wish for yash, I wish for shray, I wish for success. ये सब हमारी इच्छा है. And हमारे स्वभाव में, I am not the kind of person to accept defeat. ये मेरा संकल्प है गुरुजी, मैं आपसे प्रार्थना करता हूँ. Can you help me in this mission? Narad Muni, when he hears the words of Dhruv, tears come to his eyes and he says, Balak, in this young age, you have such powerful qualities जो बड़े बड़े लोग को भी नहीं होते हैं. Even people in the advanced stage of their life, they cannot think like you. Narad Muni says, Dhruv, Jananya bihita pantha savai nishreyasasya Bhagavan Vasudevastam bhajatat pravanatmana. नारद मुनि कहते हैं, ध्रुव, जो भी आपको चाहिए, whatever you have told me, भगवान वासुदेवस्तम भज तत् प्रवनात्मना. Vasudev has the power to give you all of this. Bhagavan Vasudeva. तुम बिल्कुल सही रास्ता में हो. Whatever your mother had told you to come into the forest and do tapasya, बिल्कुल सही बोले. You have come to the right place. Now all you have to do, Bhagavan Vasudevastam bhaja. Bhaja means to do bhajan. Bhaja sevayam. The meaning of the word bhajan, actually, the root comes in seva. Bhajan मतलब केवल भजन कीर्तन नहीं. When you come to mandir and you wipe the ground, when you sweep the dust, when you pick up the old flowers, जो भी आप करते हो, all the seva is considered to be bhajan. भजन और सेवा इसमें कोई भेद नहीं है. कोई हाथ से भजन करता है, कोई मुंह से भजन करता है. Those who can sing, they sing. Those who can do, they do. नारद मुनि कहते हैं भगवान वासुदेवस्तम भज. Do भजन, do सेवा, do तपस्या तो वासुदेव. धर्मार्थ काम मोक्षाख्यम यः इच्छेत् श्रेय आत्मनः एकमेव हरेस्तत्र कारणम पाद सेवनम. हे ध्रुव, धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष, all of these things can be achieved by the kripa of Shri Hari. हरि कृपा से कुछ दुर्लभ नहीं है. He has the power to give you all of this. एकमेव हरेस्तत्र कारणम पाद सेवनम. पाद सेवनम, उनका तपस्या करो. Worship him. Think about his divine form. उनकी स्वरूप पर ध्यान देना. और अवश्य Shri Hari will come and bless you. The same Narad Muni who is telling Dhruv to abandon this path, being happy with his steadfastness, he gives him the right advice. Narad, as he is giving these teachings to Dhruv, तो ध्रुव ने पूछा, गुरुजी मैं कहाँ जाऊं तपस्या करने के लिए, और कैसे तपस्या किया जाता है? Where should I go to perform tapasya and how should it be done? Always remember, the siddhi found in Tirtha Sthan is not found in normal places. People like to say, those who consider themselves to be very advanced in yoga and meditation, oh, we don't need to go to mandir. Hari sarvatra vartate. Bhagavan is everywhere. I can sit anywhere and worship Bhagavan. ये तो कर सकते हो. You can do this. लेकिन जो सिद्धि मंदिर में है, that siddhi which is there in mandir, that siddhi which is there in तीर्थ स्थान, वो सिद्धि तुम्हारे घर में नहीं है. That siddhi is not there in your home. That siddhi वो रास्ता में नहीं मिलेगा. That is why we have built this beautiful mandir, Triveni Mandir, that has turned 2 years old yesterday. How many of you came for Sundarakand last evening? Anand आया? बोलो अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय. नारद मुनि कहते हैं, ध्रुव, I am going to send you to a very powerful place to perform your tapasya. Tattat gaccha badram te yamunayastatam suchi. Go to Madhuvan. Madhuvan is a forest on the outskirts of Mathura. And when you go there, yamunayastatam suchi. Go to the banks of the Yamuna. और उस महातीर्थ स्थान में, when you go there, I will give you the right prayers and I will give you the right vidhi to worship Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. तेरे द्वार खड़ा भगवान भगत भर दे रे जोली.
भगत भर दे
रे जोली. तेरे द्वार खड़ा भगवान भगत भर दे रे जोली. ओ भगत भर दे जोली. तेरा होगा भरा एहसान कि जुग जुग तेरी रहेगी साथ. भगत भर दे जोली. ओ भगत भर दे जोली. ओ भगत भर दे जोली. नारद मुनि ध्रुव को वचन देते हैं, जो भी भगत हरि के द्वार पर खड़े हो जाते हैं, भगवान never keeps that door closed for them. When you go to this powerful place of Yamuna Nadi, Madhuvan, where Bhagavan Shri Krishna was born, अब ये सतयुग की बात चल रही है. And Narad Muni is telling him about Bhagavan Krishna who is born in Dwapar Yuga. That is because not only this kalp, Bhagavan हर द्वापर युग में अवतार लेते हैं. So he is telling him about Bhagavan Shri Krishna from the previous kalp. हमारे लिए तो बहुत लंबी है, भगवान के लिए एक दो पल की बात है. Narad Muni says, Dhruv, when you stand there in this place, Punyam madhuvadam yatra सानिध्यम नित्यदा हरे. आप श्री हरि की सानिध्य में होंगे. You will be in the sanidhya and the protection of Shri Hari. And when you stand there and do your tapasya, Dhruv, Shri Hari आपसे प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे. भगवान विष्णु अवश्य you will be happy with you. The next question that Dhruv has कि गुरुजी, now that I know where कुत्र करणीयम परंतु कथम करणीयम, I know where I should do my tapasya, but how does one pray to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu? This is a very beautiful question. There are many different paths to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, but Narad Muni has given ekameva hares tatra karanam pada sevanam. This is the path that he is going to explain to Dhruv. Pada sevanam, devotion and seva to the divine feet of Bhagavan Shri Hari. और फिर भगवान आपसे रीझ जाते हैं. He becomes happy with you because of your prem, because of your compassion, because of your love and devotion for him. Next week Sunday I will tell you how Narad Muni explains to Bhakta Dhruv to perform his tapasya. और बालक ध्रुव जब तपस्या करेगा, how Bhagavan Shri Vishnu will appear in front of him. That will also be during Navratri. But in any case, Chaitra Navratri, we focus on Bhagavan Shri Ram Katha. So we will still continue this Katha next week Sunday. Bandhuo, this is the question that all of us have. How do we make Bhagavan happy with us? The answer to this question we will give you in exactly 1 week. आइए वाणी को विश्राम करने के लिए एक और भजन गाए as we sing to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu this morning and conclude our Katha. मनमोहन तुझे रिझाऊं, तुझे नित्य नए लाड़ लहराऊं, बसा कर में छिपा कर नैनन में, बसा कर नैनन में, ओ छिपा कर नैनन में. मनमोहन तुझे रिझाऊं, तुझे नित्य नए लाड़ लहराऊं, बसा कर नैनन में, ओ छिपा कर नैनन में, बसा कर नैनन में, छिपा कर नैनन में. श्री राधे. गीत बन जाऊं तेरी बांसुरी की स्वर का, इतलाती बन खाती पतली कमर का. गीत बन जाऊं तेरी
बांसुरी की
स्वर का, इतलाती बन पीला पटका बन जाऊं, पीला पटका बन जाऊं, बसा कर नैनन में, ओ छिपा कर नैनन में, बसा कर नैनन में. कर नैनन में, ओ छिपा कर नैनन में, ओ बसा कर नैनन में, कर नैनन में। गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल, गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल, ओ गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल, गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल, गिरधर लाल प्यारे गिरधर लाल, गिरधर लाल प्यारो 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 गिरधर, हरे कृष्णा प्यारो गिरधर लाल, गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल, गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल। जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। बोल भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय, माँ विष्णु भगवान की जय।